Hey guys, now ex extra pack. So on either Windows, yeah, Windows or Mac, and it works on Windows 10 and everyone have. So type run. You have to have it at app data. App data. That's okay. Okay. Go here, and then you'll. Okay, so start Minecraft. Click on that. But if you play Minecraft, just press on dot Minecraft. So press on dot Minecraft. We text. So if you want to just start from scratch, you literally just name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name this like Pine Diamond. And if you already have one, then go to one. Then you go. Then you hold down Control. Press on all of those. Press Control C. Out of that, your folder. You press Control. And it's gonna be copying. Up here. Copying 2008 back to. So it, as you can see, fast. So let this um load. So then you do it. Then so while you're waiting, get up to water, bathroom, whatever you want to do while you're waiting for it. Even watch Minecraft. So basically, wait for this. It might take up a couple kilobytes. Um, well, yeah, yeah, it might take up a bytes or here. So you go here. So you don't have to go back. So my texture pack. Go assets, Minecraft, textures, items. You can do either particles. I'm gonna go items and see this or something. And so, well, you should see like Minecraft stuff. So if you go right click on one, or you can just double click on Windows 10, I think it. Go open with, right click on it. Then you go GIMP. Wait for it. Right to open. Then wait for them. Once GIMP is open, go image, scale image, go cubic, one, go enter. I just don't pronounce that. Okay now. So Do that. Go scale. And probably want to. And then basically get like those nice red gold since it's called fine diamonds. I'm gonna do it with this aqua. Then what I'm gonna wanna get like that's not the crown color. Boom. And if you want to, and then you can basically so go right up to here. Then you just go over to your apple, whatever you're doing, and then click on the color that you want. Hit them. That. Go up to pencil, paint bucket, which I wouldn't texture pack. I would just basically so do. So okay, so if you press like you like press like right here, you can press shift, either shift, then you can do that. It will do that. You don't have to click down and click down on it. Oh yeah, you can still do a straight line. Without it. So so basically do that like shading just makes it like look better. I just added some, that makes it that doesn't look good. It's fine if you I'm just doing for a tutorial. Sorry if you can't. I'm closer to the mic. And once you're done with your item, go to File, or you can press Shift, Control, E. But I normally do this. You go File for Export As, and Export As. It should say Shift plus Control. Then you press on that. Wait for it to open. Good. Yeah, it's opening. Why will this not load? Go. Don't. You can rename it if you want, but basically go to here, go down to export, press replace, press export, and then boom, and then want to you can press, and then if you want shut this out, card change, and then go in GIMP if GIMP and just to go Control O, and menu they'll show up of items that you can next, and then do that. Just like I said, you can watch this video, get the hang, and you can obviously watch more. So I'm gonna do is apple that golden. Oh, sorry, I have food in my mouth. Export. So yeah, so basically that here I go, and then I can get like some. Go this. Okay. Yeah, and then you can tap that. And yeah, so you can basically just do that. Wait. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna borrow the. I'm so dumb. Yeah, sometimes that happens. But also, if you want to hurry, and then you just press Z. Wait, no. Yeah, Z. I think it is. Wait. No, it's Control Z. Control Z. If you want to remove, then you just hold Control Z down if you want to, like, do. No, if you want to delete the whole thing. But it won't delete the whole apple. It'll just get back to its normal colors that it was at. And so if you do that, it will do that. So yeah, so I have anything to explain to you. Maybe not, but I don't know. So then yeah. Here that oh ah did I see? But okay, so sometimes you mess up. But hey, still do that. That okay, and I go. Oh, my apple. So the tutorial, I should say. So yeah, don't forget like, comment, subscribe. I have oh yeah, like I said, if you, okay, and then you go here. Yeah, you can that annoys you. Export, replace, export, and then Control O to open it. Okay, okay, yeah. Let me show. Then fine if you close. Press discard change. that. Okay, and then basically what I want to do, I'll Minecraft and but test it out. But I'll show you how you do it. So tired. 550. Almost there. Also, wanna make your games run faster. Look up a video or something. Up a I would just look up first now, and it should come up. Yeah, so you go to resource text on everyone. Don't have one in. Go to the press on the arrow. Press done. Load a little, and press create new world. I'll just name. How about? I'll just. Roll. I can't talk. For flat world, I would do it. Let's do X out on. But oh yeah, and you can watch other are way better. And although I'm pretty good at it, I'm pretty good at text packs. So so if you can't find the enchanted golden apple, the notch apple as call it, fine, cause it will already be like that. It would already colored notch apple. So so yeah. So okay. So let me show you something. And I think what best the like swords and stuff, like the outlines, black. It makes like, but you can do whatever color you. So flip. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. I'll like, comment, and subscribe, or I will not post another